Modern food production doesn't begin with farming type, it begins with data. Before a bun can be soft, before it can rise, before it can even exist in pillaged.
Before milling even begins, wheat must be purified. Stones, dust, metal fragments,
Each pass through the rollers cracks the wheat open a little more. When water touches flour, chemistry wakes up.
Mixing looks violent, and in a way, it is. The goal is to stretch gluten without tearing it.
Yeast doesn't just create air, it creates flavor. As it feeds on sugars, it releases carbon dioxide.
Heat is the final architect. Proteins set, starches gelatinize, moisture escapes.
Cooling stabilizes the crumb and locks moisture inside. Sensors scan each bun for height, color, and symmetry. At this point, the bun is complete, soft, structured, engineered. Beef production has transformed from tradition into precision biology. Every animal is tracked.
At this moment, nothing has been cooked. Nothing has been assembled.
modern processing facilities are engineered around calm and control. Within minutes, temperature becomes the enemy. Cooling too slowly causes protein breakdown. Too fast, and muscle fibers contract too tightly. This is where beef becomes data. Cameras analyze marbling patterns invisible to the human eye. Algorithms.
Burgers aren't made from randomness, they're engineered. Fat to lean ratios are mathematically controlled.
At this point, the protein is complete.
Freezing isn't about preservation, friend. It's about protection.
With the addition of enzymes and cultures, milk transforms. Proteins link together, trapping fats and water inside a delicate structure.
Milk is one of the most chemically sensitive ingredients in the food system. Temperature, bacteria, and time can change it within minutes.
This is where modern cheese diverges from tradition. Emulsifying salts rearrange protein bonds.
As temperature drops, structure returns. The proteins lock into place.
Every slice must behave the same under heat. Too thick, and it won't melt evenly. Too thin, and flavor disappears.
By removing it, shelf life extends without additives. The cheese is now stable, transportable, and ready for assembly. Sauce is not decoration. It is architecture. It binds textures, carries aroma, and delivers memory in a single bite.
Every great sauce is a balance of 5 forces: sweet, sour, salty, fat, umami.
A sauce must move, but not too much. Too thin and it runs. Too thick and it overwhelms.
Flavor is memory. The brain links taste to emotion faster than logic. A familiar sauce can trigger nostalgia before conscious thought begins.
A recipe that works in a lab doesn't always survive scale. Heat transfer changes.
The flavor is ready, balanced, stable, waiting. Now, everything converges.
Toasting activates sugars in the bread, triggering the Maillard reaction. Cooking isn't about heat, it's about timing. Heat penetrates from the outside in. Cheese must meet heat at the perfect moment. Too early and it liquefy. Too late and bond. Assembly is choreography. Every layer must align, vertical and thermally. A misalignment of millimeters can affect bite, texture, and perception.
Before a burger moves forward, it is judged. Shape, temperature, assembly order. Temperature is the final gatekeeper of safety. Too low, and bacteria survive. Too high, and quality degrades. Cameras see what humans can't. Subtle color shifts reveal undercooking, and shape distortion signals structural failure. Texture tells a story. Too soft means structural collapse. Too firm means poor mouthfeel. Every burger has a digital fingerprint. From wheat field to final wrap, its entire history is recorded. Only after passing every test does a burger earn clearance. Safe, consistent, ready for the world. Oxygen is the enemy of freshness.
From this point forward, temperature never breaks. The cold chain begins, a continuous, monitored environment.
Speed and order matter here. These burgers now travel thousands of miles. Everything now leads to one moment, a single bite,
carrying the weight of science, engineering. The modern food system never sleeps. It learns, it adapts.
Sustainability is no longer an add-on. It's engineered into every layer, from energy use to packaging design.
This isn't just a burger. It's the result of thousands of decisions, millions of data points, and decades of innovation.
The future of food isn't coming. It's already here, quietly working behind every bite.